Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some happy mail. Wasn't expecting anything in my P.O. box other than the stuff that I ordered. However, Cuttlemeclay Tay, or Tay, Shatavia, sent me some happy mail and I honestly was not expecting it. And I do want to get a little bit better in sending out happy mail because Um, I just want to get better at it. However, I feel like I don't even level up because you all bring the heat. And I'm just like, oh my goodness, I can't even surprise people with happy mail because I don't feel like I craft well enough. However, I do want to get more into it this year, so hopefully I can. Anyway, so it says, "Hi, my friend. Just wanted to send you a little something, something. Hope everything is going well from your friend Tay, Cuddle Me Clay Tay." Oh my goodness. Tay, I so appreciate this. You just don't even know. I really appreciate this. Just have a smile on my face right now. Anyways, let me get this out and I'll be right back. Actually, I'm going to kind of open it right here just to show you a few things. Look at you got the little balls in there. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. I don't even know where to start. Okay, it's packaged so nicely. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's get this out. Oh, this is really pretty. So she got a tag here, and it has a little bit of butterfly, some hearts. Yes, please. Yes, what I say. Yes, please. Oh, it's so cute. All right, let's pull out this next. Looks like have a few a little bags. So when I start sending out some happy mail, maybe next Valentine's, this must be a Valentine's Day package. So, anyways, these are so cute. Look at that. She sent me three of those. Okay, let's go here. Oh, look at how cute this is. Look at that box. It's so adorable. So she has some of her amazing flowers on there. I'm going to start trying to get a little bit better with my flower making, but oh, and those cute bowls. Oh, so cute. So let's open this. I have to open it on the side here. Oh my goodness. Shatavia, this box is big. Oh, look at some of these little beads that she put in her flowers. Oh, I keep on closing it back up. Okay. Oh, and it's in this little bag. Oh, that's too cute. All right, let's see. Let me just take these out. I'm already 3 minutes in. Oh, look at that. It has some little strawberries in there, some little, these are little clay pieces. And you know what? I don't have very many of these. I want to start picking some up. So you just started me on something, Shatavia. And then I have those little balls that she put in the inside of her flowers. Oh, so cute. All right. Let's go here. You got this wrapped up all nicely there. Oh my goodness. Shatavia, I was not expecting anything like this. Isn't this cute wrapping? Oh, my first embellishment box. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, this is my first embellishment box. I can't even get it open. I don't want to spill it. So, anyways, you all can take a gander at that. Isn't that so cute? Oh, it's my first embellishment box. That's so cute. All right, let's go here next. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow. Look at those. So pretty. This bow is adorable. I really need to get this cut. I think she cuts it on her Cricut, I want to say. And I know I went looking one day for this, and I think I have to purchase it. It's not in any of my cartridges, but that is such a cute bow. And I tell you, she works that. She works it every time. Aren't these so cute, though? She has a little dog stuff back there, strawberry, heart. I mean, she has things layered up so nicely. I mean, I wish I could work on my layering like that. I'm gonna have to practice though. So, so cute. All right, let's go a little further. Oh, she sent me some ribbon. Oh, it's cute. Look at how cute that is. It has a little sloth back there holding a heart. This is a Valentine's Day box. So, so cute. Thank you so much. All right, and then I'm gonna go here. Isn't this so cute? I'm telling you, she is so creative. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at it on the side. Look how that looks. Isn't that cute? Bow and arrow. There goes another little bow there. Let me take this off. And her beautiful flowers all the way around. These are new ones here. Oh my goodness, these are so pretty. Look at this. This is beautiful. Got some hearts, a little bitty vase, butterfly there. Oh, this is a Valentine's Day package. Look at this. Oh my gosh. For February 14th, this is so, so cute. All right, let's see if I can at least open. I don't know. I'm not trying to pull it off. Give me 1 second. Let me try and get this open here. Oh, she sent me extra bowls. Oh, there we go. That's in that one. This is my first time having one of these little boxes as well. And of course, her amazing flowers. Oh, I'm so excited. Shatavia, I have a box specifically for your flowers. And I tell you, I hoard them more than I use them. I just love to look at them. I was just in there yesterday looking at those flowers. So pretty. Love, love, love them. Okay, and then here goes. Oh, goodness gracious. Oh my goodness, Shatavia. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I love your flowers the most of everybody. I'm serious. I love your flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at all of this goodness here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I really, 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 I'm going to start using some of your flowers instead of hoarding them. I am. I have put them on some things, but I'm telling you, it's so hard to use them. Oh my goodness. I love, love, love this. Thank you so much, Shatavia. Okay, was that it? I think that's it. Oops, it looks like there's something underneath here. Let me make sure. Maybe it's just totally, oh no, I think it's something. Hold on. Yes, I think this, no, I think this might be the last thing. Okay, let me open this. Oh my goodness, those flowers are so amazing. Oh goodness. Oh, look at that. Got some little lips there. Okay, and then there's this one here, a little sticker pack there. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I tell you, I am going to get better this year at sending out Happy Mail. And then this is Project Life by Becky Higgins. Oops, let me see how to open this. I think I can just take it out. Yes, there we go. Let me open this right here. So we have a lot of these little, I forgot what you call them, the Project Life cards, but look at this. So pretty. I don't want to hold up your time by going through all of these, but oh my goodness, these are so pretty. You know what? I didn't even check and see if I was in focus. I was too busy looking at everything. I'm hoping that I was in focus for everything. If not, I apologize. I'll film it over. But oh my goodness, look at all of this. Oh goodness, goodness, goodness. Thank you so much. I really, really appreciate this box. But like I said, I'm looking to see if I've missed anything. I don't think I have. But like I said, I am going to try and get better. I just feel like I don't even level up. But thank you so much. I really appreciate it. You all, if you don't know who Shatavia is, please, please, please click on the link that I'll have down below. Head over and subscribe and start watching her videos. She is amazing at crafting, I tell you. But yeah, so that's all I have for you. Thank you so much, Shatavia. I mean, you really touched my heart today. And yeah, so that's all I have for you all. Thanks so much. You all have a blessed and crafty day.